Namaskar. Today we will learn pharmacognosy of jute. Jute is also called as a नाल्टा जूट, जूज मैलो और टोसा जूट. हिंदी में उसे पाट या पाट साग या मीठा पाट करके बुलाते हैं. इन मराठी इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मोटी चूच और बनपात. Biological source, it consists of phloem fibers from the stem of various species of the Corchorus, that is a Corchorus capsularis line or Corchorus oleoteris line, and the other species all belongs to the family Tiliaceae. So jute is mainly obtained from the stem, and it is a phloem fiber obtained from the stems of various species of the Corchorus. Jute is extensively cultivated as a cash crop in Bangladesh, which supplies more than 95% of the world's requirement of this important fiber. So Bangladesh is considered as a largest exporter of the jute. Apart from that, India and China are the major producers in the cultivation or the production of the jute fiber. So India, China and Bangladesh are the three major producers in the cultivation of the jute fiber. Thailand, Myanmar, Pakistan, Nepal and Bhutan, those countries are also cultivating jute, but that is on a smaller scale. The jute plant, it is herbaceous annual plant that grows to an average height of 10 to 12 feet with a cylindrical stalk about as thick as a finger. The two species of the jute fiber are similar and they differ only in their shape of their seed pods, growth habit and the fiber characteristic. The plant possesses light green leaves which are 4 to 6 inches long, okay, and it is about 2 inch wide, around 5 centimeter wide, and have serrated edges and taper to a point. Okay, you can see this is a serrate margin and the length is around 4 to 6 inch, that means around 10 to 15 centimeter, and width or wide, that is a 2 inch wide, that is around 5 centimeter wide, and the plant bears small yellow flowers. The jute plant needs a plain alluvial soil and standing water. The suitable climate for jute is offered by the monsoon climate during the monsoon season. So the suitable climate that is required for growing jute is provided by the monsoon climate. The temperature from 20 to 40 degrees centigrade and relative humidity of 70 to 80% are favorable for successful cultivation, and it is mainly provided into the monsoon climate. Jute requires 5 to 8 centimeter, that means 2 to 3 inch of rainfall per week, and more during the sowing time. So jute requires a higher rainfall. So all these conditions which are required or favorable for successful cultivation of the jutes are provided by the monsoon climate, and soft water is necessary for the jute production. Now I will discuss here the procedure to isolate the jute fiber. So the first step, obviously it is a cultivation. So the sowing of the jute starts with the showers in March or April and continues till early June. The first step should be sowing of the jute, and it starts in a March or April and continues till early June. Then next step is harvesting. Jute is harvested anytime between 120 to 150 days when the flowers have been shed, and early harvesting gives good healthy fibers. So the harvested plants are left in the field for 3 days for leaves to shed. Then after that take the stems and then keep these fibers for the retting process. So what is a retting process? Retting process, in this process the fibers get loosened due to decomposition of hard cell walls by action of bacteria, and the bundles are steeped in a water at least 60 centimeter to 90 centimeter depth. तो रेटिंग प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, द बैक्टीरिया, दैट मीन्स एक्शन ऑफ बैक्टीरिया will decompose the hard cell wall which are present in the fibers and it will lose the fibers. So रेटिंग प्रोसेस में बैक्टीरिया की मदद से जो फाइबर्स है उसको लूज करने में मदद हो जाती है. एंड ये प्रोसेस कैसे करते हैं? ये प्रोसेस के लिए जो बंडल्स है स्टेम के, दोज आर स्टीप्ड इन अ वाटर, उसको पानी में रख देते हैं एटलीस्ट 60 सेंटीमीटर टू 90 सेंटीमीटर इन डेप्थ. The next process is a stripping process. In this process, there is a removal of the fibers from the stalk after the completion of rating. ठीक है, रेटिंग कंप्लीशन मतलब क्या होता है कि लूजनिंग ऑफ द फाइबर्स. ठीक है, रेटिंग प्रोसेस कंप्लीट होने का मतलब है कि पूरे फाइबर्स उसमें लूज हो गए हैं. तो लूज फाइबर्स लूज होने के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप है कि उसमें जो फाइबर्स प्रेजेंट है उसको रिमूव करना है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्ट्रिपिंग प्रोसेस. अब ये स्ट्रिपिंग प्रोसेस है वो दो तरह से की जाती है. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक अ सिंगल प्लांट एंड देन स्ट्रिप ऑफ द fibers. That is the first step. And in second step we have to taken off a handful of the stalk, breaking it into a and fro motion in a water. The next step is a washing. So extracted fibers are washed in a clean water. Okay, so the next step is washing of the fibers, and the dark color of the fiber, if present, it can be removed by dipping them in a tamarind water for 15 to 20 minutes and again wash in a clean water. तो अगर फाइबर्स का डार्क कलर आपको निकालना है या रिमूव करना है तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा कि डीप दैट फाइबर्स इन अ टैमरिन वाटर, मतलब इमली का पानी. तो जो फाइबर्स है dip them in a tamarind water for 15 to 20 minutes and after that again wash in a clean water. So it will help to remove the dark color of the fibers because we want light color fibers. So this is the washing step. After washing, next step is a drying. So drying is normally done and sun drying is there. So the fibers are kept in the field for the drying, and after drying the fibers are collected and then those are baled properly and packed in a suitable container. So this is how the jute fibers are prepared from a jute stalk. So in summary, the jute fibers are obtained by these steps. So first step is cultivation, then the next step is a harvesting, then third step is a rating, then next step is a stripping, then next step is a washing. After washing, next is a drying, and final step is a baling and storing. Okay, so this is how jute fibers are isolated. Jute fibers are yellow to brown to dirty gray in a color and natural silky lustrous appearance. So jute fibers are available in brown to dirty gray in color, and those are having a natural silky lustrous appearance. These fibers are not stronger than flax because of the irregularities in the thickness of a cell wall. So jute fiber is not stronger than the flax fiber, and it is a stiff fiber and not tend to return its original length completely when the tension is relaxed. So elasticity is not there because it is a stiff fiber, so it has no elasticity. length of the fiber is around 1 to 4 meter, that means around 3 to 12 feet. So this jute fiber is 3 to 12 feet in length, and the high content of non-cellulosic matter makes jute sensitive against chemical and photochemical attack. So the high content of the non-cellulosic material is present in the jute fiber. Okay, so only 70% of the cellulose is present in the jute. So 30% of the non-cellulosic matter is present, and because of that it is making jute sensitive to the chemical and photochemical attack. Jute consists of 50 to 53% of cellulose, 20% of hemicellulose, 10 to 11% of lignin, and it also consists other constituents like moisture, which is not more than 12 to 13%, and jute also consists fats, wax and ash up to 1%. So important constituent is cellulose and hemicellulose and lignin. In pharmacy, jute is used for the manufacture of medicated toys, for the padding splints, as a filtering or straining medium, and for soaking fluids. And other industrial uses of jute include the manufacture of ropes, gunny bags, carpet backlinks and yarns for some fabric. Thank you.